Ready for a wild ride with the weather this week. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo here with the big changes headed our way. Hey, Kate.
Hey, Jessica. Yeah, big changes indeed. February starts, and it's like we're going to flip over to a completely different type of weather pattern, one where we may hit 50 and also talking rain instead of snow this time around. Here's a look at temperatures, though. Definitely still January. This January has lasted what feels like years. It is the last day of the month now. 30 degrees in Philadelphia currently, 25 in Trenton, 24 in Allentown, and it's 19 right now in Mount Pocono. It is dry for now. Skies are clear. That's going to lend itself to another cold night. Light wind, clear sky, a recipe for cold. Not quite as cold as last night, but still teens for most of us. Here's the next system heading our way, and this doesn't get here until late Thursday. But through the day Thursday, we'll start to see some rain move in, and out ahead of this front, we're going to have a few problems with warm air moving over the cold ground and moving over that fresh new snowpack, which isn't going too far over the next few days. It's 19 tonight, mainly clear and frigid, icy spots on the roads. Winds are northeasterly at 5 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we're looking at a high of 38, which is a little bit better, still below average, but it's at least a little bit closer. And it's a full day of sunshine, not a ton of wind, just a breeze 10 miles an hour from the northeast. So a lot more snow melt expected through the day tomorrow. And that means tomorrow night, we're going to be dealing once again with those icy spots on the roads. But we do have a warm-up in store. It's brief, but it's coming. Today, with the sun and not a ton of wind, felt warmer, even though it was still below average. And we're going to continue increasing the temperature a little bit each day for the first days of February. In fact, by Thursday, with the jet stream well to the north, we're going to climb to around 50 degrees. So a lot of that snow will be gone by Thursday. But then we're going to watch the arrival of some rain and possibly a wintry mix as well. Here's the system coming through. It comes through during the day Thursday. Could start as early as Thursday morning, but really it's Thursday evening into Thursday night that we'll start to see some steadier rainfall. And our models are now starting to forecast a better chance of a wintry mix, some sleet, possibly freezing rain early Friday morning, especially in the north and west suburbs. Then it does fizzle quickly as it gets to the city. So I think if we do have to deal with ice or sleet, it'll mainly be for the Poconos and the Lehigh Valley, but it is something we're watching. A couple other models have the threat for that icing and that wintry mix to move a little bit further south. That'll clear Friday. Friday's a transition day, and then it turns a whole lot colder by the weekend. I also want to talk about the fog threat, and this is out ahead of the storm. Comes in on Wednesday morning. You can see visibilities early Wednesday morning around 7 a.m. drop to near zero. That's dangerous in and of itself. But when temperatures are below freezing, fog is basically moisture. It's a collection of tiny supercooled water droplets, and that can lay on surfaces and freeze if temperatures are below freezing. It's almost like a light mist or drizzle, which could lead to freezing drizzle and freezing rain. So black ice can form instantly on roads, sidewalks, vehicles, and branches. Some hazardous travel is possible overnight Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning, at least until temperatures rise above freezing, which will be pretty quickly on Wednesday because we're up to 46 degrees. We'll see what the groundhog has to say about an early spring. Crossing fingers, you know, groundhog may not be super accurate, but we'll take any hope we can get after this January. 50 on Thursday with that rain chance that lasts into early Friday. Could end as a wintry mix north and west, and then it's colder again for the weekend, but it does look like a bright weekend with sunshine both days. Yuki, back over to you.
I'm a fan of Gus. Phil, not so much.